Hello my dear students, I am Mrs. Shikha Saini. I am taking class 1 and today we are going to learn maths. First of all, I would like to give little revision for you what we have done in the month of April. We had done tables, that is 2 to 5 along with dodging. So I hope you have learned the tables very properly, 2 to 5. You must be very thorough with the tables. And next we have done addition. Addition, we have done numbers 1 to 19. Let me give you a small revision of it. Addition, numbers from 1 to 19. Now what is addition? Addition means bringing all the things together, whether you are taking flowers, whether you are taking numbers. For example, let us take 2 balls. Now you are having 1 ball with you and 1 more with you. Now you are going to count the first ball and next the other. So how many are having? You will count. In addition, we are just counting ahead. We count forward. अपन आगे गिनते हैं उसको. So अगर अपने पास 1 है, we are having 1 and 1 more. That means 1. Then move ahead. This will be 2. So this is 2. Okay. Now coming with numbers, we have 1 and 1. Okay. So what we will do? We already have 1 and we will take 1 more, that means bringing all the 2 numbers together. So we will have 2. The only difference is that in place of and, we are putting the sign and this is addition. This sign is known as addition or add. So now coming to horizontal addition. Now what do you mean by horizontal? Horizontal means it is in the sleeping line. Okay, suppose I have written number 2 plus 3. These numbers are lying in the same line, so it is horizontal. Okay, first we are having already 2. Now we are going to count 3 more to it. So we will move next 3. We are already having 2. Next is 3, 4 and 5. So we will get over here 5. Coming to next. If I give you 4 plus 2, that means you are already having 4. Now you have, please use your fingers to count. We are having 4 numbers, keep the 4 with you. Now you have to count next 2 numbers, that is 5 and 6. Okay. So we will get the answer 6 over here. This is the horizontal addition. Here we are going to use the numbers only till 19. That means the number will not exceed more than 20. So if I give you 7 plus 4, that means you are already having 7. You have to count to next 4. 7 is already there. You will take out your 4 fingers. 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, so you are going to write over here 11. If I give you number 10 plus 6, now you are already having 10, we have to move to next 6. That means we have to count after 10 till 6 fingers. It is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So we are going to write over here 16. Now if I give you 12 plus 7. Okay, now we are having here 12 with we are already having 12. Now you have to count to next 7 numbers. After 12 go to say after 12 we will count 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. That means you are using 7 fingers for 7 numbers and we will get answer over here, that is 19. So my dear students, this is horizontal addition. That means we are going to count till 19 only. Now what is vertical addition? Now vertical addition here means, vertical means from top to bottom. Okay, the numbers now here will be given as 2 and just below this we will write 3. Okay, and we will put the addition sign outside and we will draw a line over here. This is vertical addition and what we were doing earlier was horizontal. Can you see the difference? Horizontal was in a sleeping line Same thing 2 plus 3, and vertical addition you can see in the standing line. Is it clear, girls? Now we will add 2 plus 3. It is the same thing. We have to count after 2 till 3 fingers. We are already having 2, it will be 3, 4 and 5. It is nothing but we are writing the numbers in a standing line. In horizontal addition, we write the numbers in a sleeping line. So here also we will do the addition. Now coming to next, if I write 4 plus 5. Now here you are already having 4, we have to count till next 5, that is after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we will get over here 9. Now coming to next, if we write 11 plus 6, you do not have to do anything, we will just write. How we will calculate the numbers? We already have 11, so we will count up to next 6 numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 and one more goes 17. That is, we are going to write here 17. Is it clear? If I give you next number 10 plus 9. Now after 10 you are going to count the next 9 numbers 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Okay, so that it comes to 19. I hope this is clear what is horizontal and vertical addition. Now coming to our next topic, now we are going to start the first lesson of a book, that is pre-number concept. In this we have just to identify which things are big and which are small. The name of the lesson is pre-number concept. We will identify which is big and which is small. First picture is given of a bear and a rat. It is, the bear is big and the rat is small. Next is elephant is big and a rabbit is small. Next next tick the big one in each picture. In this we have to tick whichever picture is big. You can see 2 fishes. Okay, now you have to tick the big one. So which is the big one? This? Yeah, please put a tick on this. Coming to next, there are 2 horses, a horse, a dog and a dog, I think so. So whichever is a big, you can tick on this. I think this horse. Okay, now next there are 2 chairs, one is small chair and one is big chair. So we have to tick the big one. Now here are one marshmallow and one tomato. Okay, so you have to tick the bigger one. So please tick this on this. Now here one is a boat and one is a tube over here. So we can put a tick on the boat because it is big. Okay. Now next is 2 boxes, one is small box and one is big box. So which box are we going to tick? Yes, the bigger one. Now girls, coming to the next page, we will identify what is tall and short. Now let me tell you what is tall. Tall means the standing object which is very big, they are tall, and short means they are little small. Okay. Now here there are 2 objects given, a giraffe and a dog. Now which one is tall? Giraffe is tall, and which one is short? The dog is short. Next, here is a ostrich and here is a duck. So ostrich is tall and a duck is small. Next, here are 2. Now in this also we have to tick the tall one in each picture. Okay, the one which is standing straight, very big, that is a tall. So we will, there one big boy and one small. So which one we are going to tick? The taller one. Okay. Now next picture is a tall building and a small house. Short house, sorry. Okay, it is a short house. So we are going to tick the building because it is tall. And there are 2 flags, one is short flag, one is tall flag, big one. Okay, it is standing very high. So we will tick the tall one. Next there are 2, one is a short rat and one is a tall dinosaur. Dinosaurs are also very tall, right? So we will tick the tall dinosaurs. Here are 2, 3, one is now next exercise, see, tick the short one in each picture. Here we have to tick the shorter one. The tree is tall and the plant is short. So we will tick the short one. Next is, this is a joker. These are jokers. One is tall and one is short. So we are going to tick the short one. Okay. Now here long and short. Long means which for example, you can take a vertical line which is running very long, running vertically, which is very big, it is called long, and short in vertical it is very small. Now here are two scales, one is short and one is long. You can see they are sleeping in line like this. Okay, so this is short and this is long. Now here this is a long pencil and this is a short crayon. Next, here we will do tick the long one in each picture. Now whichever thing is sleeping and is little big, that is long. Okay, here two fishes are given, one is a long fish and one is a short fish. So we are going to tick the long fish. Okay, now here are two things given, a long train and a small short scooter. So we are going to tick the long train. Okay, now here are two things, one crocodile and a tortoise. Then we are going to tick the long crocodile. We are having a paintbrush and a pen paper clip. So we are going to tick the long one, that is a brush. Coming to next exercise, we are having tick the short one in each picture. Okay, short thing we have to take. This is the one which is small in sleeping line. Now here is a radish and a piece. So we have to tick the piece. Here is a scissor and a needle and a thread. So this we are going to tick a needle. Okay. So my dear students, now you are clear with what is big and small, what is tall and short, and what is long and short. Now come on, let us revise this numbers 1 to 10. Here you will see color the pictures and write the numerals in the boxes. See, here is how many umbrellas is there? Only one, so we will write here 1. How many ducks are there? The number is name is given, you have to write the number, that is the numerical. Suppose if we have given ONE1, you have written 1. If it is TWO2, then it is 2. If it is THREE3, then we will write 3. If it is FOUR, then it is 4. So similarly, all this we are going to write. Next, if it is FIVE 5, we will write the number 5. If it is SIX 6, we are going to write 6. If it is 7, SEVEN 7, we are going to write the number 7. And if you are having EIGHT, then we are going to write the number 8. And number 9, NINE 9, we are going to write the number 9. And next is TEN 10, the number is going to be 1010. So please fill up this page. With 1 we are going to write the number 1, with 2 you are going to write number 2, with the name 3 you are going to write number 3, with the name 4 you are going to write number 4, with name 5 you are going to write number 5, with 6, 7, the number 7, 8, number 8, 9, number 9, and 10, it is 1010. Please fill up this page. Okay. Now coming to next, count and write how many. There are, first line, balloons are given, students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the number is also written and the name is also written, 6, SIX 6. Now here how many balls are there? Please count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are going to write the number 9. We are going to write in the first box, we are going to write number 9, and in the next box we are going to write its name, that is spelling NINE 9. Okay. Now next you can see the ducks over there, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the first box we are going to write number 4, and in the next blank we are going to write its spelling FOUR 4. Okay. Now here you have a small picture over here of a man. So how many are there? There is only 1. So we are going to write the number 1, O, and the number name also, it is a spelling of 1, ONE 1. Okay, am I clear? Coming to next, count and encircle the numbers. In the book there are 3 pictures, the pictures are given and by the side the numbers are given. So you have to count the objects and circle which is the right number. So let us start. Now first is cars, the pictures of cars. There are 3 cars, I think so, 1, 2 and 3. You can see the numbers are given over here 2, 3 and 4. Okay, here the numbers are written 2, 3 and 4. So you will put a circle on 3 because how many cars are there? There are 3 cars. Now next please count how many dog are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and the numbers are given over here. 6, 7, 8. So how many did you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are going to put a circle on number 8. Next we are coming the ducks. Please count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So and the numbers are given 7, 8 and 10. So we are going to put a circle on 10. Is it clear? Now coming to next page. Here is count and match with the numbers. Here we have counted and put a circle. Now here we are going to match the number of kites with the number given over here. So first there are 4 kites you can see. You count in your book 1, 2, 3, 4. So please draw a line to the number 4. Draw a line like this to number 4. Then next we are having, please count the crayons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we are going to draw the line from this crayons to number 7. Okay. Now next are the ducklings again. Here we are going to count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are going to draw a line from this duckling to number 9. Yeah, okay. Now coming to this trophy, pictures of trophies, we are going to first count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 and we are going to connect this with number 8. Here is a number 8. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this 6 dolls we are going to match with number 6. Yeah. Okay. Now next is they are the birds. We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So here we are going to match with the number 5. Okay. Done? Clear? Now we are going to start next topic, numbers on abacus. Now, what does number abacus mean? What is this? Abacus shows 5 tens and 7 ones. This is abacus. Now, what is tens? Tens means in a group when 10 things we get together, that means 10 balls means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When we have 10 things together, we say it is 1 tenth. When we have a set of again we have a group of 10 balls. It is again a set of 10 things. Then we are and this is again 1 tenth. Now these two together they are 2 tenths. Tens means the 10 things are together in one group. And what is ones? If we are having suppose only 5 things, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is 5 only ones. They are only 1 times 5. Here we are having 10 things all together in one group, that is 1 tenth. and in another group we are again having tens. So these two groups now they are 2 tens. Is it clear? So it is when we are having 10 group of 10 things together, 2-3 groups, that is 2 tens, 3 tens, that means in one group there are 10 things, we have make them together and it comes to 2 tens, 3 tens. Okay? Now here this is abacus. Okay? This is a spike abacus, this is a tens column and this is a ones column. Okay? Now here we have shown 57. This means 5 is tens and 7 is ones. Okay? So first we are going to place the 7 on ones spike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this is 7. And next this group, this 5 we are going to place it on tens spike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now next you can see 2 and here it is 5 tens and 7 ones. That means here are 5 groups of tens, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, this means this is one group of 10, one group. Similarly, we are having 5 such groups, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, we are having 5 such groups, that's why it is 5 tens and 7 is only ones. Is it clear? Now coming to next, this abacus shows 2 tens and 4 ones. That means we are having on the 10 spike we are having 2 and on ones we are having 4. Next this abacus shows 7 tens and 0 ones. That means on 10 spike we are having 7 and on ones we are having nothing, that means 0. Now here it is 3 tens and 5 ones. It is on 10 spike we are having 3 and 1 spike we are having 5. Next is 6 tens and 9 ones. On 10 spike we are having 6 tens and on ones we are having 9 ones. On this abacus shows 1 10 and 7 ones. On 10 spike we are having only 1, that means there are only 10 things, and in ones column we are having only 7. Now coming to next page, write the numerals in the box. Okay, the first one I will show you. Now here it is number 1, it is given like this is a spike and this is tens and this is ones, and here they have given, for example, they have given 1, 2, 3, 4 and here it is 1. So we have to count and write the numbers in this block. Starting with ones we are having only 1, 0 circles, so that means it is only 1, and here we are having how many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, that means we are going to write 4. It means 4 tens and 1 ones. Okay. Now next we are having number 2. Now here on the spike we are having 1 circle over here and here 2. So please count from one side. How many there? 1, 2. So we are going to write first 2 and then from here how many are there? Only 1. So we are going to write 1. Is it clear? Now number 3 we are having on the 10 ones we are having 1, 2, 3, 4. Please write number 4, and on the tens again we are having 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 44 for number 3. Now coming to number 4, we are having 4 on 10 spike we are having 3 and on ones we are having 3. So what are we going to write? We are going to write for number 3, we are going to write 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. Number 4, sorry, we are going to write for number 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That is 3 and 3. Then number 5, we are going to count the spikes, balls on the spikes. First, let us start from one side. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we are going to write 1, 9 and here the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 8. Students, always count the ones first and then the tens. Always begin from your right side. Now coming to number 6, there is on ones there is nothing, so we are going to write 0, and on tens there is only one circle, so we are going to write only 1. Now coming to an exercise, read the numeral in the box and draw beads on the abacus accordingly. One is done for you. See, here they have given number 1, we have drawn a spike abacus. Okay, and they have given the beads over there, we can call them beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they will give you the numbers 54, and then we have to count, we have to draw the beads on the abacus. Now coming to number 2, they have given us a spike abacus. This is tens and ones, I am writing on top, so you will remember. Now we are having the number 25. So now let us start from the right side. So we are having 5 over here. So we will draw 5 beads on one's line. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now on tens we will draw only 2 beads, 1 and 2. Okay. Is it clear? Now number 3, they have given 36. So what are we going to do? Number 3, tens, 1 and the spike abacus, and they have given us the number 36. Okay. Now we have to draw the beads on the abacus. From which side we are going to start? Yes, we are going to start from the right side. That is, we are having 6 on the right side. So how many beads are we going to draw? We are going to draw 6 beads. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now in tens, how many beads? Yes, 3 beads. That is 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now coming to number 4, they have given us number 73. So from which side we are going to start? Yes, we are going to start from the right side. That is, on the ones we are going to draw 3 beads, 1, 2 and 3. Then on tens we are going to draw 7 beads. We are going to draw on the tens spike 7 beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now coming to number 5, they have given us number 18. Okay, number 5, they have given us number 18. Okay. Now number 18. So from which side we are going to start? Always be very careful. We have to start from the right side. Now 8, we are going to draw 8 beads here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And here how many beads on tens? Only ones. Okay. Number 6, we are having 29. So the next number we are going to do is number 29. So last number coming for this is number 6, and the number they have given us is 29. We are going to start from the one side. 9 beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and here 2 beads, 1 and 2. Okay. Is it clear? Now coming to next page is a fill in the blanks. First they have given there is in the spike abacus, in the ones column they have given 6, and the tens there is nothing, that means 0. So it is the only number 6. Number 2, in ones they have given 3 beads, and in the tens they have given only 1 bead, that is 10 plus 3, 13. Now number 3, they have given us, this is tens and this is ones, so it is 1 and 2, and here it is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now here 2 boxes are given. Here we are going to do the addition. Okay. Now here how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3. So we are going to write here 3, and here how many? Here is 2, that is 20. So it will come to 23. Okay. Now coming to next is number 4. Number 4, they are given on ones there are 3 beads, 1, 2 and 3, and here there are how many beads? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are going to write here number 3 over here, and we are going to write 6. It means group of 6 tens, that is 60, and when we add up we will get 63. Now coming to lesson 4, we are having, the name of the lesson is greater than, less than. What do you mean by greater? Greater matlab bada and less than matlab chota. Now when we count numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, what does it mean? That when we are moving forward, the numbers are also getting big. 2 is bigger than 1, 3 is bigger than 2, 4 is bigger than 5. So as we move forward, the numbers are going big, but as we move back, the numbers are going small. Suppose if we are 10 is bigger than 9, 9 is bigger than 8, 8 is bigger than 7, 7 is bigger than 6, 6 is bigger than 5, 5 is bigger than 4, 4 is bigger than 3, 3 is bigger than 2, and 2 is bigger than 1, and 1 is bigger than 0. But as we move forward, the numbers are small. 1 is smaller than 2, 2 is smaller than 3, 3 is smaller than 4. Okay, so when we move forward, the numbers grow big, and when we move back, the numbers grow small. Suppose we are having number, if I say 1 is big or 2 is big, what do you say? 2, because there is only one thing, and in this 2 there are 2 things. Is it clear? Now if I say 3 is big or 4 is big, you are having 3 pencils, you are having 4 pencils. So which one is big? 4 is big. You are having more things over here. Similarly, as we go forward, now we are going to identify which numbers are bigger than which numbers. Suppose if I give you number coming, and what we use some symbols for greater than and for less than. We use a symbol this for greater than. That means the number which is greater, this is a symbol, and for less than we use this symbol. And one more thing, when the numbers are same, suppose if I tell 2 and 2, that means we are having 2 pencils over here and here also 2 pencils, okay. So we will have, the number is same, so we will put a sign equal to, okay. Now coming to numbers, compare the pair of numbers and write the correct symbols. We have to use greater than, less than and equal to. First is, they have given, first one is done for you, that is 5, 2, and here a box is given. Now 5 is 5 and 2, so 5 is greater than 2. So we will put the greater sign. Remember children, whichever side this gap opens, the number big will be this side, okay. Now here next we have 10 and then a box is given and 16. So which number? Here 10 is smaller than 16. Is it clear? 10 is smaller than 16, okay. Now next we are having 6, then a box and 6. Here we will put both the numbers are same, so that means we are going to put which sign? Equal to sign, okay. We are going to put the equal to sign. Next it is 11 and 7. So 11 is greater than 7, okay. We will put fill in the blank, we will put the box greater sign. Here 7 and 4. So 7 is greater than 4. Here 12 and 15, 12 is less than 15. 5 and 6, 5 is less than 6. Here 13 is less than 16, okay. So you have to complete this page. 7 is less than 8, 15 is less than 19, 9 is greater than 2, 20 is less than 25, 8 is greater than 4, 23 is less than 30, 10 is greater than 3, 32 is greater than 25, 8 is less than 9, 34 is equal to 34 and 12 is greater than 11, 21 is greater than 20, 14 is greater than 14 is equal to 14 and 18 is equal to 18, 15 is less than 17 and 15 is greater than 7, okay. Now coming now next topic is numbers after, before and between. Now when we are writing the numbers, you generally do the counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are the numbers, some numbers are behind 2. If you are saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from number 1, 2 and 3, which number is in between? 2. Number before then 2, मतलब 2 के पहले क्या आया? 1, after उसके बाद 2 के बाद क्या है? 3. So in between 1 और 3 के बीच में कौन बैठा है? 1 and 3 के बीच में बैठा है 2. So इसको in between कहते हैं. 2 नंबर के बीच में जब 3 नंबर रहते हैं तो जो मिडिल नंबर रहता है that is in between, ठीक है. और in between के नंबर के बीच का पहले का जो नंबर है उससे पहले that is before, और between वाले नंबर के बाद का जो नंबर है that is after. That is, now here we will do what comes after. Okay. Now here it is given 28 and next we will write here 29. Here 16. Here it will be after. After 16 क्या आता है? 17. Then after 38 it will be 39, after 41 it will be 42, after 19 it will be 20, similarly after 21 it will be 22, after 35, 36, 23, 24, 42, 43. We have to write just the next number after wala, okay. 10, 11, 25, 26, 44, 45, 31, 32, 50, 51, 12 and 13. Okay. Now let us come what comes after. Sorry, what comes before. Before matlab pehle, uske pehle kya aaya. Here we have done what comes after that number. Now what comes before, iske pehle. Before matlab pehle. So here I will write the blank first and then the numbers. So now before 36 what comes? 35, yes, and thus next is 10. Before 10 it comes 9, then 23, before 23 it is 22, and before 49 what comes? It is 48, and before 37 it is 36. So like this, 24, here try here 23, before 17 it is 16, before 31 it is 30, before 46 it is 45, before 38 it is 37, before 15 it is 14, before 22 it is 21, before 32 it is 31, before 44 it write 43, and before 50 it comes 49. Okay. Now we will do what comes in what comes between. Between means beech mein. Okay. Here is 33 blank and 35. Now you do the counting. 33, what comes? 34 and 35. Okay. Next is 21-23. Just do the counting randomly. 21, 22. Yes, 22. Next is 17. Just count, and 19. What is it? 17. After 17, 18. Yes, just count the next number. You will get the number in between. Now, if it is 49, 51. What comes after 49? It is just the number 50. Okay. Similarly, after 11-13 it will be 12, 22-24 it will be 23, 38-40 it will be 39, 44-46 it will be 45, 40-42 it will be 41, 25-27 what will come? 26, and 48-50 in between will come 49, and 36-38 what will be in between? 37, and 9-11 after 9 it is 10, and 81-83 next number will be 82, and 92-94 it will be 93. Now coming to next topic is ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order. Now here ascending means going from smaller to bigger number, that is 1, 2, climbing the stairs, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, we are going from small number to big number. From this is called ascending, or it can be called as increasing order. Ascending or increasing order. Okay? Both we are the same. And what is, suppose if I give you number, write in ascending order 50 to 58. 50 to 58. What we have to do over here? We have to just increase the numbers and reach up to 58. Suppose it is 50, we are going to start with number 50, okay. After 50, we have to increase, we have to reach right, move further, आगे बढ़ना है. 51, then 52, then 53, 54, 55, 56, 57 and 58. Okay. Now coming to next 70 to 76. We will write 70, 71, you will write 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75 and 76. Okay. Next is 89 to 95, you will write yes 90, 91, 92, 93, 94 and 95. Next is 37 to 42, we are going to write 37, 38, 39, 40, 41 and 42. Okay. So, in increasing or the ascending order, we are just writing numbers from small to big numbers. Is it clear? Now coming to descending orders. We are coming to descending order. Descending means from big to small. Now we will climb down, that means from big number to small. Back counting 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In ascending orders we were climbing up, in descending orders or decreasing order also, you can say decreasing order, we are climbing down from big number to small number. Is it clear? So, let us begin. Now, write in descending order, we have to write from 69 to 63. So, 69 to 63, we are going to write 69, back counting 68, 67, 66, 65, 64 and 63. Next is 85 to 79. Just we will move back 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80 and 79. Okay. Next is 94 to 87. That means we start from 94, 93, 92, 91, 90, 89, 88 and 87. We are just moving back, okay. Back counting you know na, that we are doing now 25 to 19. So, we will start from 25, count backward 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20 and 19. Is it clear? Okay. Now, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Here in the circle the numbers are given and we have to arrange them in ascending order. That means from small to big numbers. Okay. Now, here the numbers are given 29 in a oval shape given 29, 0, 18, 7, 24 and 12. Now, we have to arrange all these numbers in ascending order, that is from small to big. It is, which is the smallest number? 0. Then next is, you have to go up, then 0, then next number will be coming 7, after 7 which will come first? 12, after 12 which will come first? It will be 18 and then it will be 29. Okay. 24 is also there, it will be after 18, 24 and 29. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the 6 numbers we have written. Okay. Now, next we are having, in a semicircle we are having 19, 10, 12, 3, 2, 4. Which is the smallest number? 2. After that 3, then 4. We are just moving forward. Okay. After 4, which number comes first? 10. After 10, 12. 12, then 19. Yes. Now next it is given 50. It is 53, 5, 33, 56 and 19. Now we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order, small to big. Now which is smallest number? 3, then next is 5, next is 19, then next is 33, then next is 50 and next is 56. Okay, clear? This was ascending order. Now coming to descending orders, we are having 9, 4, 3, 6, 11 and 5. This has already been done for you. Now we will move here from big to small numbers. Which is the biggest number? 11. Then more little, then 9, then it will be 6, then 5, then 4, then 3. Is it clear? Now next coming 20, 11, 2, 18, 32 and 5. So what will come? It will come first, the biggest number is 32, then after that it is come backward. So which number will come first? It will come 20. After 20, which number will come among them? It will be 18. The next will be 11 and next will be 5 and the smallest number is 2. Next we are having 2, 13, 37, 90, 51 and 79. So which is the biggest number over here? It is a 90 number. Then after that 79, we are coming backward, then it is 51, then it is 37 and then it is 13 and then it is the smallest number 2. Is it clear? Big and small things. Okay. Now here you can see in this picture there is a teddy bear, there is a bear and a little mouse. Okay. The bear is big, okay, in size and the rat is very small, and here we have an elephant, it is very big and the rabbit is very small. So okay, now next we are having to, in this exercise, tick the big one in each picture. So whichever picture is big we have to tick. There are two fishes, one is big and one is small. Okay, so which we are going to tick? The big fish. Please tick on this big fish. Then here are two objects, one is dog and one is a horse. So which one is bigger? Yes, the horse is a big one. Okay. Now next picture we are having two chairs, one small chair and one big chair. So what are we going to do? We are going to tick the big picture, big chair. And here are two fruit given over here, one is marshmallow, one is tomato. We are going to tick the bigger one, the marshmallow. Okay, we are going to tick this. Now next is tick the smallest one in each picture. We have to tick the small picture in it, which is just a boat is there and a tube is there. Which is smaller? Yes, the tube is a smaller one. And there are two boxes, one small box and one big box. So which are we going to tick? Yes, the smaller one, chota. Okay, please put a tick on this.